Welcome to Palette. In this tutorial, will I show you how to create black and white effect in Photoshop. Double-click on layer and name it. Select layer and go to image in menu and choose calculations. Select the best matching color for both channels. Set blending to overlay and opacity to 80%. Result to new channel and press OK. Go to Channels, select Alpha 1 and use Shortcut Command A to select, then use Shortcut Command C to copy. Go back to Layers and create a new layer. Use Shortcut Command V to paste, and we are done with the black and white effect. Thanks for watching and see you on next tutorial.